In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clean and useful Notion homepage. A well-designed homepage can make Notion feel much easier to use because it gives you one central place to begin every time you open your workspace. Instead of jumping between scattered pages, you'll have a simple dashboard that helps you see what matters most right away. Start by creating one main homepage that will act as your starting point. This should be the page you land on when you open Notion and the place that connects everything else in your system. Think of it as your control center. Give it a clear title so it's easy to recognize and keep its purpose focused. This page is here to guide you, not overwhelm you. Next, add your main sections. A good homepage usually includes areas for tasks, notes, calendar, goals, and projects. These sections represent the core parts of your daily and weekly planning. By placing them all on one page, you reduce friction and make it faster to move from one type of work to another. Try to keep these categories broad enough to be useful, but not so detailed that the homepage becomes crowded. After that, add links to your most used pages. This is one of the easiest ways to save time. If there are pages you open often, such as a task list, meeting notes page, or project hub, place them where you can reach them quickly. The goal here is convenience. Your homepage should help you navigate your workspace without needing to search around. Now, organize the layout using columns. Columns make the homepage feel cleaner and easier to scan. For example, you might keep one side for action-focused areas like tasks and quick capture, and the other side for planning areas like goals or your calendar. A neat layout helps you understand the page at a glance, which is especially helpful when you're busy. Then add a quick capture area. This gives you a space to immediately write down tasks, ideas, or reminders before you forget them. This part is important because it lowers resistance. You don't need to know exactly where something belongs in the moment. You just need a reliable place to capture it quickly. You can also show helpful filtered views, such as today's tasks or this week's plan. These views make your homepage more actionable because they highlight what is relevant right now instead of showing everything at once. That keeps the page focused and practical. Finally, review your homepage regularly and clean it up when needed. Remove anything outdated, simplify sections that feel cluttered, and adjust the layout as your workflow changes. A homepage only stays useful if it stays current. Keep refining it, and you'll end up with a Notion dashboard that truly supports the way you work.